So y'all went to go get me a cup pizza, cause as y'all know, this is Cinijah's kitchen. As I said it in the last video. This is Cinijah's kitchen. So it's not really my kitchen, it's my mom's kitchen. She could.
Mine's too, because I live here.
That's my cousin. So yeah. So that little thumbnail was looking good.
I ain't done like her.
You just graduated to the first grade. Last time I checked, I was going to what?
I don't care because of my I just lit and you not. So
it's
you
nighttime.
know.
First of all, I know you not talking because I just slayed them eyebrows of yours. What? I just slayed them eyebrows of yours. To do this video. Okay.
Guys.
Who hideous? Yo, look at this mini slice. I always do this with my pizza. I just be cutting mini slices like this.
That's like real pizza, like we ordered it, right?
A little bit. Upstairs for a second to do something. So you all see I'm seeing. So.
Yes. You know what? I don't want none. Thank you. Appreciate it.
So I ain't here for my pizza. Yeah. So I done ate half of my pizza now. I'm full. I'm not acting. I'm full. So y'all, I'm waiting for them to get done their food.
God, she's drinking her juice right now. What?
She trying to be like my cousin doing the YouTube video. So y'all,
Guys, I didn't by my phone.
comment down below what y'all think. I should keep the style with the mohawk. Should I keep the style with the mohawk? Should I keep the style with the mohawk? Should I keep the style with the mohawk? So y'all, go subscribe to my channel, my Instagram.
Go subscribe to my channel and my Instagram. Comment down below.
Y'all, my Instagram is Naj147. Cause your girl gotta be Naj be popping, but look, period.
Your name is British Senator.
So yeah, see you guys next time on the next Cinijah's Kitchen. Peace.